Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Grammarly browser extension install in Chrome step by step clearly. Open your Google Chrome browser. Go to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Grammarly. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. Look for the Grammarly for Chrome extension in the search results. Click on the extension to open its details page. On the details page, click the blue Add to Chrome button. A pop-up window will appear, asking for confirmation. Review the permissions that Grammarly requires. If you agree, click the Add Extension button in the pop-up. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once installed, a Grammarly icon will appear in the top right corner of your Chrome window. Click on the Grammarly icon to open the extension. You may need to sign in or create a Grammarly account. Once logged in, you're ready to start using Grammarly in your browser. To customize settings, click on the Grammarly icon again. You can adjust preferences according to your writing style. Now, Grammarly will automatically check your writing in text fields across the web. You can edit and accept suggestions as you work online. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.